we're going to talk about the next car seat, the convertible car seat.
Right now we're going to show you that after your baby's no longer exceeded the weight from between 30 and 35 pounds, now it's time to turn your baby forward facing. And I know all the parents out there have been waiting to do this. So the way this baby, now your rules are going to be different forward facing than they were rear facing. When your child is forward facing, their harness needs to be coming from above their shoulders, similar to when our belts come from above our shoulders, because we're also forward facing in the vehicle. Like in the past segments, it's very important that when you're going to adjust the harness, you push down here and you can loosen it, okay? Then then you would take the baby or child out, pressing the red button to take the baby out, and you would take the child out, okay? Same rules apply. Very important that when you sit them in, they sit all the way back. Bring the harness over, connect their retainer clip. Again, just another reminder, these little metal parts can get very hot, so be very careful on bare legs. Okay, snap it in, pull through snug on the hips first, then Dan's going to show you down here with the strap that's here at the bottom. This is what they call a front adjust, and you're going to pull here, and if you notice, this now is going to tighten here up on the baby's shoulder, or pardon me, the toddler's shoulders now. Okay, and you can't pinch any webbing here. It's nice and snug, and the child's not moving forward in the seat, except the seat's moving, but okay, can't move forward. And then the last thing is you always want to make sure that the retainer clip is always at armpit level. That way the child is not going to submarine through their harness. Okay? So again, sitting back in the seat, snug harness straps at or above their shoulders, and the retainer clip at armpit level. And in this seat, we'll go to 40 pounds. In other seats, sometimes they're 65, and there's a couple of seats that go to 80 in their harness. So make sure to refer to the manufacturer's instructions to make sure what the weight is for that harness. This child in this seat will outgrow this harness. See, she's pretty close to the top harness. When her shoulder exceeds that harness slot, regardless of her weight, she's exceeded the use for this seat. She can no longer use that. And that's how you use the forward-facing convertible seat in your vehicle.